Today I'm going to show you how to check your account on the KRLS system. So first thing we're going to do is come down, press catalog, and get into the main site. So once here, we come up here to the top banner and select login. Now we're going to enter in the 14-digit library card number on the back of your card. And we're going to enter in the PIN, which is going to be by default the last four numbers of the library card. We're going to select login, and it's going to bring us to the same page, but this time you're going to see that we're logged in here. So we're going to come over and select my account on the top banner, and here we have our main page. So under the personal information, we can change the PIN. In the Preferences tab, we can change our default language. We can even change the initial open tab. So I'm going to change it down to checkouts. And we can even switch up our preferred pickup library to any within the Kitchigami system. I'm going to leave mine on Bemidji. And hit update. And we can even go and add a text message notification when we have holds that are ready or books that are overdue. Right. So coming over here under checkouts, we can see my library checkouts as a state park pass, which is going to be expiring in 2 days. I also have 2 books here on 3D printing, one of which I want to keep for a little longer. So I'm going to come over, select the box, and hit renew. It's going to ask me for confirmation. I'm going to come up and say yes. Now I checked both these books out on the same day. Now the original due date was August 3rd. Because I renewed, it's now August 16th. So we come over and check the holds tab. So under here, it says I have 2 items on hold, one of which is ready to pick up. So here it shows the books that we have, the status, if they're ready to pick up or if they're pending, as well as the location, even when the hold expires. Now, say you want to change the pickup location. You'll come over and select a book that isn't ready for pickup. Edit pickup location, then come over here where it says edit holds and select the drop down menu, and let's change this to Cass Lake. Hit change, and there it will say success. And as we see here, it has changed the pickup location to Cass Lake. Status is still pending as it hasn't yet arrived. Now say you have a hold request pending, but you don't want to pick it up right away. So what you can do is you can come select the book, click suspend hold, and then choose the day you actually want the day of the suspension to end. So here's a book I'm looking to pick up, but I'm not going to need it until the middle of August, and hit suspend. So now this book will continue to circulate as usual until the 15th, on which it'll be pulled and set on a hold shelf for me to come and pick up. Now, say I want to cancel this entirely. I'll come over, select the book, come down here, and hit cancel holds. It'll ask me for confirmation. I'll hit yes. It's removed. I can also come over and click on the fines tab to see any fines I have, as well as any accruing fines. I can also get all this information if I come over here on the side and check this quick display. So I currently have 3 books checked out. I have one book on hold, and also 1 book ready to pick up and no fines. It also distinguishes the difference between digital checkouts and holds between physical library checkouts and holds.